Welcome to And How. Are you looking to start a new exercise routine but not sure where to begin? Do you want to join the active people who run every morning and stay healthy? Running is a great way to get in shape and improve your overall health, and starting your day with a morning run can set the tone for a productive and active day. In this video, we'll go over the steps you can take to start a morning running routine that works for you. From choosing the right shoes and clothing to setting goals and finding motivation, we've covered it all. So let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right shoes and clothing. The first step to starting a morning running routine is to make sure you have the right gear. Choosing the right shoes and clothing can help you stay comfortable and injury-free. When it comes to shoes, it's important to find a pair that fits well and provides proper support. It's also a good idea to invest in moisture-wicking clothing to help keep you cool and dry. Step 2. Set a realistic goal. Before you start your morning running routine, it's important to set a realistic goal for yourself. This could be a specific distance or time you want to run, or the number of days you want to run each week. By setting a goal, you'll have something to work towards and be motivated to stick with your routine. Step 3. Find a running buddy. Having a running buddy can help you stay motivated and accountable. Not only will it make your runs more enjoyable, but it will also help you stay on track and make it easier to get out of bed in the morning. Step 4. Choose a route. Choosing a route that you enjoy can make your runs more enjoyable and help keep you motivated. Whether it's a scenic trail or a flat and well-lit path, choose a route that you look forward to running on. Step 5. Warm up and stretch. Before you start your run, make sure to warm up and stretch. This will help prevent injury and make your run more comfortable. A simple warm-up could include some dynamic stretches or a short walk or jog. Step 6. Create a pre-run routine. Creating a pre-run routine can help you get in the right mindset and prepare for your run. This could include laying out your clothes the night before, setting your alarm for an earlier time, or having a quick breakfast. By establishing a pre-run routine, you'll be more likely to stick with your morning running routine. Step 7. Find motivation. Finally, it's important to find the motivation to keep you going. This could be listening to your favorite music, setting small rewards for yourself after each run, or joining a running group or club. By finding something that motivates you, you'll be more likely to stick with your morning running routine. We hope these steps have inspired you to start your own morning running routine. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you and making it a sustainable habit. By following our guide, you'll be well on your way to a healthier and more active lifestyle. And happy running!